In a previous class, you have studied how to create mission, vision, and value statement. In this video, we will be looking at the communication part and how important it is of the mission, vision, and values within an organization. An organizational purpose is reflected in its mission, vision, and values, the creation of which has to be done with great thought and care. Importantly, it also has to be communicated, and the communication has to happen to all stakeholders through all platforms. Communication happens through words, which would be through various forums and in prominent locations. And we see this when we visit any organization. The mission, vision, and values are kind of put up all over the place and even on their website. Secondly, it has to be demonstrated in action. That is where a lot of companies fall short. And the actions have to be then implemented or conveyed through stories, and you can also implement your purpose through using certain tools, which I will talk about later. But the point to emphasize here is the importance of communicating your mission, vision, and values, and especially stories, because stories means you are walking your talk. So what are the keys to successful communication? First is you need to identify stakeholders and interest groups. An organization needs to know who are their key stakeholders. They could be consumers, your suppliers, special interest groups, society at large, and so on and so forth. Secondly, you need to create a simple but powerful message. In communication, it is very important that your message is simple, but it also has to be very powerful at the same time. You need to communicate across all available forums. Today, it is not just putting it up on the wall, but on your websites or wherever you are addressing stakeholders, and whatever forum is available, you need to make sure that you communicate this. Repeat it as much as possible. This is something which you want to be ingrained in your organization, and that is why repetition is important. Walk the talk. This is very critical. If mission, vision, values are only up on the wall, but when it comes to actually implementing, the organization falls short, then it totally defeats the purpose. You have to demonstrate at all steps that you mean what you are saying in your mission, vision, and values. And this is then demonstrated when you identify and share success stories. So whatever, especially your values, if you kind of say that you have a policy of whistleblower, and you take those stories and share it when it happens, then people believe in your values system. And to kind of demonstrate genuineness, there has to be enthusiasm, passion, and storytelling, as I talked about earlier. And these are what together combined you to give a successful communication. So let's look at an example. I'm taking the example of Jack Welch, who was chairman and CEO of GE from 1981 to 2001. He's considered to be one of the most successful CEOs of the last century. One of the purposes that he identified as part of his strategy was number one or number two, fix, sell, or close strategy, where he basically said GE had a huge number of businesses in their portfolio, and he said that you either have to be a number one or a number two, or you can achieve number one, number two. Only then we'll hold the business in the portfolio, otherwise we will sell it off. Look at how simple the message is. Implementation was very difficult because there was an emotional connection. A lot of the businesses had been with GE for a very long time. This message was repeated by him again and again. In his words, he says, I repeated it so often that I almost gagged on the words. And he sold it both on the intellectual and the emotional level. Now, demonstration, which I meant by walk the talk, was that they did sell off a lot of G companies which had been there, and there was the emotional connect which you would have thought that they would hold on for emotional reasons, but he made sure that they were sold off to kind of consolidate the strategy that he was talking about. I would also recommend you to read this book, Jack Welch, Straight from the Gut. I think it's a great business autobiography book, and I would recommend all of you to read this book. So let me kind of end this video with a tool. The thing is that mission, vision, values, strategy, how do you make sure that it percolates down to the organization? So the balance scorecard, which is the strategic planning and management system, which organizations can use to communicate what they're trying to accomplish, align the day-to-day work with what everyone is doing with strategy, and it also allows you to measure and monitor progress towards strategic targets. So this is the tool that you can kind of use to communicate and monitor strategy. So in summary, creating mission, vision, values, or the purpose of an organization is critical. More importantly is communicating, and then very importantly is implementing. You need to walk the talk. You need to demonstrate that what you are saying is what you are doing. So we will discuss this more in class, and I look forward to seeing you there. Till then, take care.